guys, it's me again, BisdaKing, and this is how I do it, cooking rice. So we're gonna put 4 cups of rice. Upa, upa. Now we're going to wash the rice with tubig or fleece. At least 4 to 5 times when you're washing it. After several washes and grease, it's time to put the water. This is how we measure the water. So you stick your 3 fingers in, and then you see how high the water is because it's up. It should be up there. Then you use your thumb as a marker. Then slowly release it out. Now we put water. And now leave the place where how high the rice is on the last step. You see that your thumb is on top of you see that your fingers are on top of the rice. To wipe the bottom of the pot. Put the pot in the rice cooker. This is a pandan leaf. This will make the rice smell good and yummy. Plug it in, and then we turn it on to cook on. It's gonna cook now, but the rice is gonna be so yummy. After 15 minutes, the rice is done because the light says it's on warm. And smell it. It smells yummy. Now that the rice is done, you can pair it with anything you want. I paired it with fried chicken. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you never miss every video we make. Bye! BisdaKing at your service. Lamia, oi!